Thank you for watching Brian Rhodes TV. And coming up next, we have a Dodge Charger Hellcat with a Smyth Performance Truck Conversion Kit.
See about Brian Rhodes TV, man. Tell me something about this build.
All right, so we're looking at a 2018 Charger X Top Car. It's a 5.7 all-wheel drive, but thanks to CFR Performance, they make the adapter plate kits that allow you to put the Hellcat blower on top. So we're looking at 15 pounds of boost, E85, 700 horsepower to the crank, 600 to the wheels. Coming on back. I chopped 6 inches behind the B-pillar, and I used the Smyth Performance kit. Fiberglass on the outside, aluminum bed, full 6-foot bed. The best part though is the taillights. So we're looking at half Ford Ranger on the bottom, half Charger at the top, trunk, quarters, all welded and grafted together. It's still a 5.7, it's still all-wheel drive, but it's an 8-month build in my home garage. Fabrication work, the paint, and all the mechanicals.
Okay, how much does that build cost?
Well, because I did all the work myself, it's not a true representation of what you'd have to pay, but between the donor and all of the work, under 20 grand.
You did anything to the interior?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have scat pack seats. We have a roll bar to add some additional stiffness. Civilian center console, but I chose to keep the shifter right up at the columns. The truck could make it feel even more like a truck.
Oh, I see you have the custom gauges here too.
Exactly. So we've got wide body, supercharger temp, fuel pressure, just so we can keep it safe.
What's your YouTube channel?
So Crash and Burn. Crash, the letter N, B-E-R-N, on Instagram and YouTube.
Okay, thanks a lot for your time.
Thanks, Brian.
You are watching a master at work.
Thank you for watching Brian Rhodes TV. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We will try to do a new mod every week.